Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see how you can make $5,000 with this app. Okay, this app gonna pay you $5,000 per month if you do this, guys. Okay, so watch the video carefully so you will be getting all the ideas how you can make money with this app, guys. Okay guys, this is our official Telegram channel. If you are not a join in our channel, just join in our channel. This is our channel, Crypto Tech Views, guys. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, I'll share the link in the description. Just click on the link and open it. Okay, click on the link and open it, so you will be redirected to the page, guys. This is the app. Okay, future points. Okay, so just come back or just click on the page. Okay, click on Google Play Store. Okay, so the Play Store, it will open Google Play Store. Okay, the future points, this is the app, guys. Okay, this is the app, just it. Okay, so just now I'll share the detailed things about this app, guys. Okay, so come down, see there more than 10 million downloads and 120k reviews are available. Okay, so a lot of people are commenting about this app and a lot of things are going on. Okay, so just see some detailed description about this app. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, and rewards by trying apps, completing surveys, shop online and more. Okay, so we paid out over 5.9 million US dollar in the rewards since 2012. Okay guys, since 2012, it means 10 years, guys. Okay, in this 10 years this app paid 5.9 million US dollar, guys. Okay, that much this one is gonna crazy our app. So okay, so don't miss it. Okay, so you can check it out. What's the thing, how they are earning. See here, play and earn, completing surveys, touch and win, and cashback, share with friends and everywhere. In this app you can earn everywhere. Okay, how much you wanna earn, it's up to you, guys. Okay, so like this, whatever you do with this app you can earn it. Okay, that much crazier app is, so don't miss it. Okay, just download the app. Okay, so a lot of things are waiting in this app, so don't miss it. See here, just 5.9 million US dollar they paid since 2012. Okay, so in the past 10 years this app paid 5.9 million US dollar. Okay, so come back, just download the app. Okay, so download the app. I just downloaded. Just download the app and open it. Okay, then click on open, guys. Okay, just click on open, so it will be opening. So then you can sign up with Apple or Facebook or Google, which whatever you want. You can sign up with anyone. Okay, I'm signing up with Google, guys. Okay, so just verify you are not a robot. Just that's it. Click on Crossworks. Click on verify. Then signing in with Google, guys. Okay, I'm signing in. So that's it. I'm signing in with Google. Yeah, my account got redirected. Yes, I got signed up. So just open it. Okay, I already opened my account. So that's what you will be getting some registration details. I'll show you, guys. Okay, I'm just logging out and just giving. Okay, so click on I'm not a robot. So just sign up with yes, I'm not a robot taxis. As just click on verify and sign up with, I'm just opening with some other account. Okay, I'm signing up, guys. Yes, this page is loading. Just go ahead. Yes, welcome to assistant creation, agree. So just scroll down and click on agree and continue. Okay, so enter the referral code, guys. Okay, I'll share the link in the description as well as our channel group. Okay, referral code is 3RDD2F. This is the referral code. Okay, 3RDD and 2F. This is the referral code 2F. Guys, just you must give this referral code, then only you will be getting 50 points added in your wallet, guys. Okay, just enter it and click on continue. Okay, so enter your details, so you'll be getting 10 points added. Okay, this is what I'm just entering my postal code, so you will be getting, and my date of birth is asking. Okay, so that's it. I'm entering. That's it, guys. Just mail. Click on continue. So you'll be getting totally 60 points. Okay, so choose your first reward they're asking. Okay, so how much you wanna withdraw, that's what I'm asking. But right now you have just 60 points, but in future which one you wanna select the first withdraw they're asking. Okay, so Amazon for 500 rupees and Flipkart 100 rupees and PayPal $5. Which one you want, they're asking. Okay, so that's all. Which one, you can select anyone and you can read it later also. Okay, so I'm clicking PayPal $5. Just click on continue. Okay, so it will open, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Just click, you have to verify your email. Okay, just open your email. So you will be getting the link. Just open your email. Okay, just open your email. So you'll be getting the link. Yeah, my email is not received. Okay, so just open your email and just verify it. Okay, so this will be going. Okay, that's it. So your next reward will be $5. Just 2% is completed, guys. Okay, in this app you can earn multiple amount of rewards, guys. Okay, see here, new play to earn. This is option. Okay, so enjoy fun games and get paid to play. Okay, this is option. Just click on that and it will redirect to next page. Okay, here also you can earn up to 466 points. You can earn pay now. Okay, with this 3 points you can earn 466 points. Okay, in 1 minute. This is our big. Okay, hope. Okay, just calm down. Let's get started. Okay, complete the survey. Okay, you can complete the survey and you can earn more. Okay, play to earn. Okay, see here, play games and earn, enjoy fun games and get paid, and double points from Friday 27th to Monday 30. Okay, that much 20k plus. Okay, you can earn. This is hot, guys. Okay, this is the next one, surveys. Okay, so earn up to 5,000 points per day in these surveys and top sage, Pool Foolish, in Brian, Peanut Labs. So a lot of things available. You can earn multiple times in these kind of things, guys. Okay, so offers available. Okay, and source you can earn up to 2,500 and Raven you can earn up to 2,000. So like this, watch videos and earn 5 tokens. Lot of things available, guys. Okay, so these future points have Twitter page also. You can click it on, you can open it. This is the app, guys. Okay, see here, 331k followers available for this future points. Okay, so a lot of people are hoping this app, guys. Okay, so just click on win option. Okay, you have 0 tokens. Okay, so Sugar Rush win up to 250 tokens. So this is all the games. Okay, you can play these games and you can earn it. Okay, it's just contestants. This is also the playing reward. Everything is showing here. Win 63,000 points also. Okay, so rewards option, you can withdraw your payout via this one, guys. Okay, so share option, you can share your referral code to your friends and you can make 50% of the money, guys. Okay, so this is my account definition. Available point 60, complete survey and bonus for your referral friend 50. Okay, that much they will be paying. Okay, so with this app it's just simple, guys. Okay, with this app you can make more than $5,000 every week. Okay, if you are spending little bit time, you can make monthly. Okay, that much you can earn this. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, I'll share the link in the description. Just click on the link and open it, then you can make multiple amount of rewards in this app. Okay, you can make weekly $5,000, but in the least situation you can make 5,000 in month. Okay, just think about it, $5,000 in month by spending just few time per day. You can make it, guys. Okay, so lot of option available in this app. This option is paying. You can see this option is paying, Flipkart and Amazon and PayPal, Cash and Bitcoin. Okay, we have these 4 withdrawal methods. They are paying the withdrawal option, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, everyone can make free money with this app. This app is paying a beautiful money. So a lot of subscribers are earning, as well as a lot of my friends are earning. So don't miss it. It's a beginning stage of this app, and this last 10 years this app paid 5.9 million money US dollar. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, just watch it and play games and complete surveys and lot of options available in this app. Okay, so I'm also gonna the big honor in this app, so don't miss it, guys. Okay, just do all the surveys and just check it out, the play games. So do everything with this app. Okay, whatever you do in this app, you can get paid. That's what the beautiful thing in this app. Okay, so don't miss it. Whatever you do in this app, you'll be getting paid. This is the greatest ever PayPal withdraw, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. You can withdraw via Bitcoin also. Okay, whatever the options, Flipkart, everything you can make and withdraw, guys. Okay, so don't miss it, guys. I'll just share the link in the description. Just click on the link and open it and get registered and complete the survey and play games and earn more than $5,000 per month, guys. Okay, I hope you all can do that. anyway, I'm happy to share this one, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you.